again. We figured out something to make today, and we love curry so much, so there's a recipe here for, I think it should be called Nyonya curry, but I've changed it a little bit. I had this in Malaysia again, and I wanted you to try. So anyway, I instead of using shallots, I had this 2 onions, so I'm gonna use both of them. I have ginger and garlic. This is belacan, cloves, star anise, garam masala, turmeric powder. I have meat curry and some flakes from dried chilies. And with the seeds, I have cumin seeds, fennel seeds, mustard seeds, and cardamoms. To it, I'm gonna add some cream to thicken the sauce a little bit, and I also have coconut milk, and of course this is chicken and potatoes. So I'm gonna start, and you can, after you cook this, you can have it and serve it with your rice or lazy pancakes or chapatis or rotis, whatever you find suits your palate better. Okay, I'll start, and I'll join you in a bit.
Go.
Over here. So I sauteed the onions. The other way you can do this is you can grind the onion, the ginger. If you have shallots, you can use shallots instead of using the onions like I did. So you can grind shallots, ginger, and I think you can also add belacan to it with dried chilies, and you can use a blender, blend everything together. I might do one of those videos someday soon, but today I'm just doing a shortcut of it. So in here we have ginger, belacan. So belacan looks like that. It's all that is dried shrimp, and then it's made into a paste, and it's sold a lot in Malaysia. It has like a shrimpy taste to it. Not everyone will like it, so if you don't like that taste, you can omit that. And so right here I'm just gonna add my cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cardamom, mustard seeds, and let it cook in the oil. So everything I'm adding here, you can just like make it into a paste and then cook it in your oil and then add all your meat to it. But we can try that some other day. When you're in a rush and you just want to do things super fast, that's one of the shortcuts. So right here I'm gonna add my coriander. I didn't have coriander powder, so I'm just gonna add garam masala, meat curry, turmeric powder, and some chili flakes, and this is chicken stock. Adding my garlic. You don't have to use garlic. Most people don't add garlic to this recipe, but it's how you like your palate. So that's how it looks. I will put our meat in there. So to this, if you want, you could add 1 tomato to it, or you can omit the tomato. And you just want to mix it until all the spices come together. I'll do a better video another day. Again, this is just like you came from work and you just want to fix something really quick. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, and with me here I have cinnamon, star anise, cloves, and I'm just gonna add that to everything here. When all that mixes in really good, you can add your cream. If you have sour cream, you can use sour cream or coconut cream. And this is my coconut milk. Let's give it a good stir. So you want to cook this in medium heat, really slow. And again, you can serve it with naan bread, you can serve it with lazy pancakes. Lazy pancakes are made from rice flour. Or you can serve it with your basmati rice. And it's really, you use really healthy ingredients. The turmeric, the ginger is good for your tummy. It won't be bloated. And I'm just gonna add, towards the end, I'll add a lady's fingers. Just like 2 of this, slice them into half, and then just add to everything here. So there we go. In like a good half an hour, this should be done. Because the meat has bones. If it's boneless, probably like 20 minutes it should be all done. You can see how thick the sauce is going to be. That's how I like it. Anyway, good luck making your own, and let me know how it goes. Thank you. Hi again. So I'm just making sure I keep stirring it so that it won't stick at the bottom. So make sure you keep doing that at least every 5 minutes. And it's still on medium. And like I said, towards the end we can add our lady's fingers. For now, I'll just cover it and let it simmer through. Well, thanks for watching my video, and we'll catch up soon. Make other recipes.